Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Happy Halloween, everyone. Today on this special episode of In the Kitchen with Matt, I have a little vlog episode for you. And what I want to do is I want to talk all about Halloween and Halloween costumes. More specifically, my favorite costumes that I have worn over the years. I love Halloween. I love all the treats associated with it. I love the trick-or-treating aspect of it. I love getting together with my friends and going to haunted houses. I love going to parties and dances. And most importantly, I love dressing up in costumes. So what I wanted to do is just share with you some pictures of the costumes that I've had over the years. And also I want you to comment down below and let me know what your favorite Halloween costume is of all time. All right, so here we go. So first of all, I don't have pictures for every year, but I did dig up a lot of different pictures. So let's go back to 1982, and here we have a picture of me as a little cowboy. Pretty cool. And let's fast forward to 1994. Now this wasn't for Halloween per se, but I was in a play called Annie, Get Your Gun, and I played the part of Buffalo Bill. So it was really fun to be able to dress up, and I just happened to have my hair long back then, so that was pretty neat. And then in 2005, here's a picture of me. I call this Flour Sack Man. That suit was custom made for me when I was in the Philippines, and it's made out of flour sacks. Pretty cool. It's very comfortable also. And it still fits me, which is pretty cool. All right, next, I dressed up as Sean Connery for a talent show, and we did a Celebrity Jeopardy, and it was a lot of fun. Really fun doing the makeup for that. And then also that year, 2007, for Halloween specifically, I was a punk rocker. Well, I think I pulled off the punk rocker look pretty well. In 2008, so I love vampires, and in 2008 was my first vampire costume. I bought this coat. It's a Nehru coat. It's actually a Matrix replica coat, and I thought that would make a really cool vampire costume. So I bought that. Pretty awesome. It's really warm though, so I don't like wearing it that much because it doesn't get that cold here in Arizona, especially around Halloween time. And then in 2009, we did a murder mystery dinner party, and it was a 20s theme, 1920s. And so I dressed up as a mobster, a 20s mobster. That was really fun. And then that year for Halloween, I was a vampire again. Now this is my favorite costume of all time. It is again patterned after the Matrix coat, the Nehru coat. I had my mom make this custom fit to me, and just to buy all the material for this costume, it was probably $120, and the pants was another like $30, and then my fangs custom fit dentures, those were like $50, and then the contacts were like $70. So it was pretty in-depth. Spent a lot of money on it, but I won a lot of costume contests with it. I just love that costume, and that was my first year wearing it, and you'll see as the years go on that I've wore that costume quite a bit because it's my favorite. One thing to note about that, I don't wear contacts, and it's really hard for me to put them in. And the very first year that I had tried to put them in, it took me like an hour to get contacts in my eyes. Yeah. And then let's look. So 2010, I was a vampire again. 2011, I was a vampire again. In 2012, I did a little visual effect in After Effects, and I did like a little sci-fi version of myself. I think this came from one of the Iron Man movies. Pretty neat little effect. In 2012 again, I was a vampire, and that was the last year that I was a vampire for a little while. In 2013, I was Indiana Jones. Indiana Jones is one of my favorite movie characters, so it was really fun dressing up as him. In 2014, I was Lego Binney. from the Lego movie. Now, this costume was an epic costume, took a long time to make. I did a series of videos on my other channel, my Matt Taylor channel, on how to build a Lego Man costume. I think it turned out really, really awesome, a really neat costume. It's one of those that I would wear to like Comic-Con if I could. It's kind of a pain to walk around in it, but it's pretty neat costume. And then in 2015, I had 3 different cool little activities to go to. One was an 80s night. It was a house party, and I dressed up like as Marty McFly. It doesn't look exactly like him, but kind of like an 80s dress up or whatever. Also, there's a masquerade ball that I went to. It wasn't really a ball, it was at someone's house, but still, it was fun to get dressed up like that. I like the two-tone that I wore, the white and the red or maroon. That was a pretty fun night. And then that year, I dressed up as Wyatt Earp, twofold. It was for Halloween. Also, we went to a big murder mystery party as well, and so I got to go as Wyatt Earp for that. I think my character part was just one of the marshals. It wasn't exactly the part of Wyatt Earp, but the costume itself is a Wyatt Earp costume. And then in 2016, I didn't have a whole lot of money, so I didn't want to do anything extravagant that year, and it was still Vampire was just I wore that a couple years earlier. So I just bought myself a Captain Kirk uniform and wore the Captain Kirk uniform. People ask me, well, why didn't you dress up as Captain Jean-Luc Picard? Because I'm bald, but anyway. And then in 2017, I dressed up as the vampire again. I took out my favorite costume out of my closet, and I did really good makeup on there, and I just had a really good time going to parties and taking pictures. Pretty cool. And pumpkin carving. I really love pumpkin carving as well, and this is my favorite pumpkin that I've ever carved, the Stranger Things pumpkin. I really love Stranger Things, and so it was really fun to make this pumpkin. And now that leads us to 2018, and that is this costume that I'm wearing right now. I'll give you a moment to guess what it is. Have you guessed yet? Come on, guess. So I am dressed up as Walter White, aka Heisenberg, from the TV show Breaking Bad. I was a little bit late on the bandwagon, or a lot late on the bandwagon as far as watching Breaking Bad goes. I just barely finished the whole series earlier this year. Amazing TV show. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. It is a bit of an edgy show, but pretty cool show. Anyway, so that's what I'm dressed up as, Walter White. So there's a little look at the history of my Halloween costumes over the years. I have dressed up as other things. I just didn't have pictures of those, or I couldn't find them. So again, down below, please drop a comment and let me know what your favorite Halloween costume was that you dressed up as. And also tell me what you love about Halloween. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor. This has been a special Halloween episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. Thumbs up down the corner, push it. And we'll talk to you next time. Take care.